Fuel on proper tank. It's on the right tank. Factory fuel pump on. Yes, it is. Engine gauge is checked. We have oil temperature, fuel pressure, oil pressure. Flaps set. Flaps are down. Carb heat off. Mixture set. Backs are racked. Fasten seatbelts and harnesses. Trim tabs set. Controls free. Door latched. Latched. Down. Locked. Air conditioner off. Alright. Haven't heard anyone on the radio, so we're good to go. Seneca County 9313 Charlie, departing runway 24, maintaining traffic pattern, Seneca County. Got a slight crosswind today coming from the left, so we'll have to grab into that. See if I can keep her on the line. Okay, line her up. Heading's good. Build her into the wind. Alright, off we go. Good takeoff. Right wing came up first. Climbing at 80 knots. Looks like we got some weather coming in from the south. Maintaining runway heading, driving into the wind.
2 mile final runway 21, West County.
Feet, make a 90-degree turn to the left, perpendicular to the runway. Meanwhile, maintaining 80 knots and ascending. There, roll right out, completely perpendicular, wiggle the wings. Another 90-degree turn to the left, be parallel with the runway, turning downwind. Seneca County 9313 Charlie, downwind for runway 24, Seneca County. Landing checklist, fuel and proper tank. Mixture rich, electric fuel pump on, seat backs direct, flap set, fasten seatbelts and harnesses, yep. Alright, 1800 feet, reduce power, maintain 1800 feet so we don't climb up any higher. A little close to the runway, but I can fix that. Okay. Just past the numbers, reduce power to 1600 RPMs. Okay. First notch of flaps. 8 knots. Oh, a little more power. This plane doesn't want to slow up with just me in it. Second notch of flaps, perpendicular to the runway. Gaining 75 knots, turning final. Quite a bit of turbulence. Alright, slight crosswind to the left. A little bit late on the rollout, but that's alright, we can fix that. Maintaining 75 knots, exactly at 500 feet. Hold just a little more power. Grab into the wind. Third notch of flaps. 5 knots. On the runway. Alright, got the runway made, full power. Roll out. A little bit of a bounce, but not bad. Right at 70 knots, touchdown. Could have been just a tad slower and pulled up just a tad more to have a little more bleed on there. But not too shabby for my second landing of the day. Exiting on taxiway B. Seneca County 9313 Charlie, clear runway, Seneca County. Alright, put the flaps down, turn the fuel pump off. Gotta put these on, it's a little bright. There we go, that's better. Open this up, get the bearing. Fan on too. Oof. Let me mark my landings down before I forget. Okay. 7, 16, 19 landings. Got 2 so far.